This is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to borrow money from your Accessbank account. So without no further delay, let's dive into the video. You are going to log into your mobile app and click on continue. So you are going to let me sign in to the mobile app. So after signing in on mobile app, you are going to click on loan here, loan. And when you click on loan, you are going to check on your eligibility. Now I'm not eligible for the loan, but you might also be eligible for the loan if you are using your Accessbank account regularly. I'm not using my account regularly because I have a lot of other banking I'm using. So if you are using your Accessbank account regularly, you might be eligible for this loan. So duration of the loan, as you can see pay the by month, 1 month, 3 months, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So now let's click on the loan status. The loan status no record found. As you can see, no record found. So let me click on check on the 1 month and see the result that it's going to bring for me. As you can see, error, you are currently not eligible to take the loan at this time due to insufficient activity on your account. As you can see, because I'm not performing activities on my account regularly, on my access account regularly, that's why I'm not eligible for this loan. If you are performing accounts regularly on your Accessbank account, you can try this loan and give me your reply. Give me the feedback in the comment section. See you in the next video. Peace out.